What's going on, guys? So today we're out here in Quebec. We're actually in Aylmer, Quebec. We're just across the river from Ottawa. That's the capital city of Canada. And we're actually going to check out the Ottawa Rideau Centre. So that's a big shopping mall they have here in downtown Ottawa, just across the river from Gatineau, Quebec. So we're going to check that out. It's actually pretty cold out right now. It's about -11, actually -6, but with the wind chill, it's about -11. It's freezing right now, guys. So we drove here from Toronto, the capital of Ontario. Toronto is about 4 hours away from the capital of Canada, which is Ottawa. That's where all the parliamentary and the government buildings are. We're gonna go check that out and see what's going on. So today is actually Boxing Day 2024, so that's December 26th. Christmas was yesterday. We may check out a Christmas market as well, Lansdowne Christmas market. So let's see what's up with that. Leave a like on this video to show your support. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see videos like this going forward. We're going to take you with us right now. Let's go check out the Rideau Centre in downtown Ottawa, Canada's capital city. Let's go. Peeps, so we're in downtown Ottawa right now. We're just about to head inside the Rideau Centre. I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see what I'm looking at here. Let's head inside and see what they got. As we walk in, you can see they have a Zara on the left here. Then we got a popular Canadian clothing department store called Roots, established 1973. On my right, they got an H&M. And then look at this cool little area here. It's pretty busy today, guys, because it's Boxing Day, so there's quite a bit of people here at the mall. They do have a new Lego store on the left here with a long line to get in. Coming up on the right here is Good Life Fitness, which is one of Canada's main gyms that they have, similar to LA Fitness, but this one's Canadian, unlike LA Fitness, which is American. And I got Dorothy and Sweet Pea with me as well, as you can see. In this direction, we have another entrance to the mall, leads back out to Rideau Street, which is the main street here in Ottawa. And we're just gonna continue around here. We have similar stores here like the US, the Foot Locker on my left here. Bentley, where they sell bags and suitcases. They also have the LCBO coming up on the left, which is closed right now because it's December 26th, Boxing Day, but that's where Ontario folk get their liquor and spirits. Got an outpost of Starbucks right here, and this here heads back to Rideau Street that way. I'm just gonna head back this way. We're one level up now, guys, from where we started, heading in the other direction. On the second floor, we have a Nike outlet, some jewelry stores over here, Pandora, Michael Hill. And you can see there's a level above us up there. We got Gap right here, Baby Gap. Further down, we have some more jewelry stores. We're now heading towards the food court, guys, so we'll see what type of options they have here at Rideau Centre for food. On my left here is a People's Diamond store where I bought my wife's engagement ring. And check out this gigantic Christmas tree here, pretty cool. Now we're inside the dining area. Let's check out what they got here for options. Ottawa is also right across the bridge from Gatineau, Quebec. So basically they do have a lot of French-speaking Canadians here as well. So you'll see a lot of French writings, French words, French directions, and so on. So they got a KFC in here at A&W, which sells burgers, Poulet Rouge. Looks like a chicken spot. They got a New York fries in here, a Subway here, which Subways are everywhere. They have a Jimmy the Greek for Greek food. If you're feeling for Greek, further down here they have Indian and Thai, so Amaya Express and Thai Express. And then after that they have some Chinese, Shanghai 360 here, some Chinese food. Let's see what they got. We got the Bourbon Street Grill right here. So they do have an Aloe here, which is a fairly new and upcoming store, and it's pretty popular. If we were to head that way, you would head towards the Westin here in Ottawa. It's a Marriott hotel. We got a Coach outlet here as well. And then on the other side, we have Uniqlo. I think that's an Asian department store. We're heading towards one of Canada's biggest department stores right now, the Hudson's Bay. The Hudson's Bay Company, they used to own a lot of land in the north of Canada, and then over time they changed into a retailer. So they are a big retail giant here in Canada. We're gonna check out what they got for their Boxing Day sales. Let's go. We're actually walking across the bridge from the Cadillac Fairview Rideau Centre, which crosses Rideau Street. So this is Rideau Street right here, the main street here in downtown Ottawa. I just got approached by security guys and they're telling me that I can't film in a public mall, so I guess I'm gonna have to end the video right here. I did get the majority of the mall, so if your travels bring you here to Ottawa, to the Cadillac Fairview Rideau Centre, definitely come and check it out. They have a lot of stores here, a few options for food, all types of cuisines inside their dining hall. What else can I say? Leave a like on the video to show your support and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. We do appreciate you for watching as usual. We will see you in our next video. Take care and peace out from Cadillac Fairview Rideau Centre here in Ottawa, Ontario. Cheers, guys.